yeah, does anyone still not know or haven't subscribed my channel and they don't know what to do now? So it's better you can tell them to join this streaming, and then I will request for the attendance in the Kaisala. But formalities are not going to take 2 hours, with just 1 hour. Is it okay with you? We just take 1 hour, so just to brief a bit about one of you to expecting in this class, yeah. Wait, yeah, I'm still here. Actually, I did something. Oh my. Later I got it. Okay, I think it's okay right now. So you can see on the screen. So this is just come in um, last two last two days, Monday, when I got this from RP. He mentions that you got to actually have a few changes on based on the actually previous semester. We have a new arrangement for your assessment here. I just give you an overview on this, the plan structure, and then I'm going to give you the scheme of work, and then this will be uploaded inside Kaizala, and then you can refer it there. Basically, if you have quick questions, please tell me in the chat, in the top chat. So I will not able to read the message in Kaizala because I'm going to focus on your chat inside YouTube. I hope you understand with this. Hi, how is your evening? Yes, my evening is alright. I'm so thirsty, just like Maslina have mentioned about that drink just now, and now I'm so hungry. So we try to finish this as soon as possible. Okay, and don't forget to like my video as well, and then please subscribe. It is one I try to get as many as viewer and subscriber, just in case to get promoted for that Google yeah, from the Google credentials. Okay, so okay, back to this lesson. So on the topic, the first topic is actually we're going to have an overview of the informations, and you also have compilations of the notes, and then this will be given also inside our Kaizala, and then I will give it to you as soon as possible. I have arranged some of the setting inside the group. I'm still learning of how to use it, but I think that will be helpful for us in the future. Okay, and on week 2 we will continue on the overview of the information. Okay, miss. Okay, and then on week 3 is source of information. So in source of information, basically you need to know that you have to identify few types of platform to get informations, and then you also learn on how to use a few of online databases prepared by the PITAR, and then you also need to understand the difference between digital informations and then printed or physical information, for example paper-based, and as for the digital, like an online article, and that is a support of the source of informations. And where that you get informations, of course we have three source mediums of you get the source of information. You get informations, for example, from person, and then you also get from the books, and you also can get from the agency or the institutions, for example university. Okay, and a week 4, we got to know how the types of information, so that it will be differentiates so the types of information that we have it here. What is this? Let me check. I think this is no, you know, so actually in the previous semester you have 2 quiz, and now we combine these 2 quiz into one, and it will be involved with chapter 1 until chapter 5. This actually is on here. This is quite, why is it? I think I have the new one. This is the right one. Okay, like this, so you can see inside on the screen your quiz 1 and quiz 2 has been combined. Hi Priska, yes, hi, how are you? So we have quiz 1 and quiz 2 combined in one quiz only, as just simply that I put these 2 quiz into one, and then it will be carried out on week 8. So you have to remember on week 8 that this is your quiz, only one quiz, but that one quiz involves 2 quizzes. Just say like that. Yeah, if you understand, you can say yes and understand. If you don't understand, you can tell me you don't understand. Yeah. Alright, that is for the changes. So just back again here. Let's refocus this. This one is the right one. So week 5, you're gonna have your online database assignment. Your first assignment. This assignment is quite easy. You know, you just have to find 5 articles? 5 articles. Let me check. 5 articles. I thought because there are new changes, I'm afraid that I might be wrong. No. Okay, so as you can see from the screen, this is the assignment once looks like. So you have to find 10 full article based on business and management from any UITM online database. So that means that you have to go through in PITAR. So you have to go to this website, PITAR, and then you have to type easy access. They will be provided you with online database. But maybe in week 3, I also will try to get some workshop with those librarians, so you to learn on how to use PITAR website, PITAR website, especially for online database. So you can learn there how to use online database there. But actually I know how to use that, but I try to promote PITAR because they want you to go to their website and then they try their services. They need to also giving some tutorial in the webinar that you will learn on how to use online database. Actually, I know how to use it, but I leave it to the PTAR to use it for them to promote. So we have let's try wait for week number 3 or number 4. I'll ask them to teach you on how to use online database by using PTAR websites. Yeah. So if you're familiar with the names of online database or easy access, so that will be pretty much getting your life easier. Yeah, you can just have to accept it there. Hi Elvina. Hi everyone's here. Yes. Hi, welcome. So I want other people who do not know that I have a streaming for OBM301. Please let them know. I just afraid that they didn't know here. You can share this. Yeah, you can share this with them. Just help me so I don't have to open too many windows. So this is for the assignment 1. This is in group. And then this will be given to you in the template. I put it inside Kaizala as well. So you have to form a group, 5 members. Remember, 5 members. Yeah, 5 members. 5 members. members in one group. One group, yeah. Hi, Clarissa. Wow, quite long name. Clarissa, Jim Clarissa. Okay. So 5 members in one group. Since we have, actually there's the 2 groups in here. Group F and Group D, isn't it? Group F and Group D. Right. Think so. Yes, Group F and Group D. So this is the rubric for the assignment 1. So you need to, this cannot be shared to you, but you can look at this. Later I will upload this video as well in my channel, then you can refer it back. But for this part I will skip, yeah. So you just, this is a rubric because we don't want to the other unresponsible persons, the irresponsible persons to copyright these things. Okay, so the score, and also you have to know the score to get that marks 20, because the total mark is 120. If you can get online database more than 4 and goes through 15, 10, 10, 5 and 3, then that is will be goes to the another rubric. Okay, so it will be touch on the category of your database selections, the content of your online article, the descriptions of your online article, the overall of your online articles, and the organizations of your writing report. week 6. So we move to week 6. You will learn on our topic 4, organizing and searching information. Okay, I'm so hungry right now. My stomach berbunyi. Don't know why I'm hungry. Okay, this is compiled by our resource persons in Cawangan. So I'm going to share this to you. Okay, this is the content. Okay, the content of the topic I have mentioned just now. I will share this. This is topic 4. So you will learn on what I'm expecting in here. Waalaikumsalam. Yes, it's okay, Maslina. And then online database, search engine, classification scheme. So this is topic 4. This is what you're going to learn on topic 4, which will be covered on week. Week 6, yeah. So this is week 6. You will study on that part. I just close this. So this we will learn on this topic 4 on week 6. Just now on week 4 you're going to learn on types of information. So this is the types of informations. Week 2, overview of information, topic 1, and source of information, which is week 3, 2, and 1. So you will refer it here. So source of information, take what I have explained just now. People, organization, information system, what is it? This is the source of information, the 3 level of literature as a source of information as well, the category of information, published and unpublished. Hello, testing. Maslina, can you hear? So everyone, can you hear my voice? Hi, Eliza. Okay. All right. Then we move to chapter 1 just now. Okay, overview of informations. Issues, informations inside this chapter 1. This is what you're going to learn. This one will be shared in the Kaizala. I will share with you. Okay, now on this week 7 and week 8, you will learn on you will learn on topic 5, bibliographic citations. So bibliographic citations. Can you please share the document at the group soon, miss? Because I cannot see this. All right. Okay. Which one that you want me to share this part? I'm going to set this up a little bit appropriate for student copy, because this is for lecturer copy. So I will try to do that as soon as possible. I have to arrange this for a student copies first, and maybe let by this Friday we upload inside Kaizala. Okay. Okay, introduction to research on topic 6. So this will be in terms of introduction to research. So this is the one that will be touched on week 9. Okay. Then on week 10 is your very first quiz, online quiz. I will carry it out using Google Form. Week 10 or week 9, yeah? Just let's check a lot. And week 11, you will learn on what is it issue in research. You will explore what are the issues that we face by the researcher, which is that will be involved with plagiarism and research ethics. Okay, and writing a research report will be covered. So this is what are the subtopic about: writing regional referencing, writing bibliographic, developing an outline. This will be on week 12, week 8. I forgot to mention about this assignment too. Okay, you take a look on week 7. So on the week 7 here, so week 7 here, we have assignment number 2. Okay, assignment number 2. So assignment number 2 will be mentioned will be given on week 7 and week 8. Okay, assignment 2 is touch on bibliographic citation, which involve with APA and MLA. Say cheese, don't take my pictures. Okay, to be submitted on week 13, which is on week 13, this online revisions. Assignment. Where is it? The assignment sample of assignment. Okay, so this is the rubric. Just take a look on it. Total marks is 100. Yeah, the use of citation use, the arrangement of entries, presence of preliminary, creativity, and spelling. So this is how we're going to bucket for your assignment 2, APA and MLA style. So I will share this. We're going to use APA style referencing 7 editions. So if you don't know what is APA reference, then I'm going to share with you the sample of it. So you will learn on how to write this technicality of APA style referencing. So this is example, all of this. So this is the notes for you. But actually you have learned on how to use APA style since you do your assignment in part 1. Yeah, because you have to do it for a reference. Have to give your reference at the end of your report, isn't it? So it's just a similar like that. You have to cite your every work that you take it. And this is MLS style. So the one, basically the obvious difference than APA compared to MLA is the arrangement of the year and how you cite the author's name. So as you can see in this part, just this part I cannot, so, okay, so this part I just give you a sample here. This part, as you can take a look on this second, this surname and first name. So this is first name and this is the surname. Surname is been, of course we write it for a full, but the first name in APA usually will only use initial, for example B, only capital B. And in APA we will be put in year. Yeah, I cannot. Oh, I cannot do that. So APA will set year here. Yeah. Okay, and here we're going to put the year here. So this one is usually after you write your you're gonna put at the end of this surname. Sorry. Where's my reference? For example, here. Okay, I think we can see the one. So this is the example. Yeah. So there is the obvious differences between these two types of bibliographic. But here they do not put that in here. But that is also depends on the type of material that you cite. So this is just an introduction, so just a basic one. Please jangan rakam. Who want to rakam? You don't have to rakam this. You don't have to. This will be upload later, yeah. You don't have to viral this as well. Static. So this is the sample assignment for bibliographic citations. You can take a look on this part. How will be given to you as well. I will upload it in Kaizala. Okay, you have to choose the topic, and this is also in a group. Yeah, so all assignment. So all assignments is in group. Assignment 1, 2, 3 is in group. Okay, that's for it. I'm just gonna give you. Okay, I'll try to. Then after you have on your assignment number 2, we move to assignment number 3. Assignment number 3 will be given on the online revision, which will be conducted on week 13 and 14. So on for that, a sample. So you got to write a term paper. So this part and this idea, you have to focus on the last 3 chapters. For the last 3 chapters, he will be involved with introduction to research, issue in research, and writing a research report. So actually this part I'll have to be focused on your assignment number 3. Assignment 3 is actually you are writing a term paper, which is you have to actually analyze the way of how the researcher write their online article. And this can be based on the assignment 2, because on the assignment 2 you have to do a literature review, but for assignment 3 you do some term paper, but you focus on the way of how that researcher conducted their research, because all of the online articles is talking about research. Okay. And this one, you can also like form a group and assign each of the member to focus on which part. So I advise you for this semester, stick to the same group member. Okay, stick to the same group member, the 5 members. Depends on how many of you in the class. And then but since we have 2 groups in here, you only can group with your own group, yeah? So do not group with a different group, that will be having a problem in marking. So this is advisable for you to have the 5 members from assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment number 3. And this will be have an involvement with assignment 2 and related to the assignment number 3, because you're going to talk about the structure and then how they're doing the research. Okay, so this also what the criteria that will be take into considerations: the organization, the coherence, the formation, design of the writing idea, creativity, spelling, grammar, and the citations. Sofat, are you clear? I think that is all for today. It's already 5. I'm going to give you a time to do for your video. You're going to upload it inside my Google Drive. And do not forget also, you have to respond to the attendance that I have shared with you. Yeah.